of Teacher Day to thank all of my teachers for their guidance, for their support, and for your motivation, especially when you all are taking an extraordinary step in this pandemic situation, each and everyone delivering their best to secure students' future utilizing the social media and taking online classes. You all are an inspiration for us. We admire your commendable efforts as you all are enlightening us. Just because of you, we are able to tackle this situation. Once again, a big thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.
आप ही से सीखा है, आप ही से जाना है, आप ही को हमने गुरु है माना। सीखा है सब कुछ आपसे ही हमने, कलम का मतलब आपसे है जाना। Dear teacher, thanking for making us what we are today. I found guidance, discipline, honesty in one person. That is my teachers. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you.
I take privilege in wishing all our mentors in the school and across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers are a blessing in disguise. They are the guiding light that brightens our lives all through. Teaching is actually a way of life and not just a profession. We are fortunate to have been blessed with such wonderful teachers who are always up for grooming students into the finest individuals. We pray for their well being and success and shower immense respect today and always. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Today is the day where we get a chance to acknowledge the hard work of our teacher. A teacher is a person who plays a pivotal role in molding students' life. Our teacher imparts not only academic knowledge but also shares ethical values, imbibes morality that shapes our personality. Our teacher gave up their personal and family time to grade papers, preparing lessons, and attending conferences. Teacher made a very positive difference in students' life. At last, I want to thank all my teachers for all their efforts, care, and love for us. Thank you very much.
जीवन के हर अंधेरे में जीना सिखाते हैं आप। बंद हो जाते हैं सारे दरवाजे, नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञान ही नहीं बल्कि जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं आप। Dear teachers, you are a multitasking educational rock star who lives to inspire and loves to encourage. I heartily thanks to all my most respected teachers and wish you happy Teachers Day to all of you. Thank you.
There are many relations, but relation between the teacher and the student is beyond every relation. Teachers and students are not bound by blood, but yet it is teacher who feels extremely proud of all the achievements of the students. They genuinely feel happy to hear about every milestone their student have achieved. It is the tireless effort of a teacher that makes success possible. The world knows about the teachers through their students. It is only a teacher who can transform a mediocre student to the successful one. Thank you.
दुनिया में आशा की किरण और सारे जग का प्रकाश जो हमें जीवित रहने की और आगे बढ़ने की शक्ति देता है वह अध्यापक ही है। मैं अपने सभी अध्यापकों का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया करती हूँ जिन्होंने हमें आगे बढ़ने की शक्ति दी। धन्यवाद।
Teachers are the pillars of tomorrow. They gave us education as a gift.
Wishing you a glorious and happy Teachers' Day. You have been a guiding stars, and I thank you for all guidance and educations showered upon us. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to one and all. I am Shivanshi. On the behalf of class 12th, want to express my gratitude for my teachers. On this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank my all the teachers for their hard work and the constant efforts they have put in for educating us. A very happy Teachers' Day to all my respected teachers. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
Respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends, Happy Teachers' Day to all of you. My dear teachers, thank you for always be there for me in any situation. You are the spirit, the inspiration, the candle of our life. We never forget you wherever we are. We will always miss you. Thank you.
Good morning, respected Principal Ma'am, worthy teachers, and my dear friends. Happy Teachers' Day to all. For this special day, I always be thankful to you for your efforts and hard work, for putting educating us during this difficult time. These past few months have been hard, but dear teachers, you prepare a new materials, finding new ways and record instructional videos for teaching us. So I am grateful that you are my teachers. You are the best teachers ever, and I have so much fun and learning with you. And thank you for your guidance and support. And my teachers are the stars who taught me how to shine. Once again, happy Teachers' Day and thank you.
At the very beginning, a special good morning to all. The day is special, the day is of happiness, and the day is for celebration because the day is of my teachers. A very happy Teachers' Day to all. Being a teacher, the first and the last wish for the student is that they achieve everything whatever they deserve. So, we all are very thankful to you and will always try our best to make you feel proud of achieving our goals. A teacher is the second parent of the student. We all have grown up and now understand their value in our life and can't imagine a beautiful future without their guidance. Today's little respected words is just a way to show our love and respect to you. At last, once again, I am thankful to all my teachers to be in my life. We will always miss you, miss your guidance, and will always be grateful to you. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to my favorite teacher. On this special day, I would like to thank you for all the efforts you have put in to make me a better person in life. Thank you for being my guide and teaching me life lessons. Thank you.
A good teacher can change every student's life, and we are lucky to have so many of them. So I really want to thank all my teachers for their hard work and efforts which they are doing for us. We are really grateful to have you in our life as a guider, as a friend, and thank you so much for your efforts.
They guide us, they support us, they inspire us, they teach us. Today is the day to tell them Happy Teachers' Day and say thank you.
A very warm and prestigious good morning to all of you. Today I am Saloni Sharma on the behalf of 12th standard going to present a poem to our honorable and respected teachers. And the title of my poem is Why a God Created a Teacher. Why a God created a teacher? When a God created a teacher, he gave us a special friend to help us understand his world and to truly comprehend the beauty and the wonder, everything we see, and to make a better person with each discovery. When a God created a teacher, he gave us a guide to show us way in which to grow so that we can all decide how to do and how to live, how to do and how to live and lead us so that we can lead, and to taught us how to be strong. Why a God created a teacher? Why a God created a teacher? A God created teacher in his wisdom and grace to make this world a better and a wiser place. Thank you. Thank you for the all teacher who work hard for us. Thank you.
जिन्होंने दिया मुझे इतना ज्ञान, आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस पर, आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी महाआत्माओं का सत्कार करें। आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी महाआत्माओं का सत्कार करें। शत आयु यह ज्ञान के सागर, शत आयु यह ज्ञान के सागर, सारे ऐसे गुरुओं को हम प्रणाम करें, सारे ऐसे गुरुओं को हम प्रणाम करें। धन्यवाद। माँ शारदे के चरणों को वंदन करते हुए मैं सभी गुरुओं की चरण वंदना करती हूँ। आदरणीय प्राचार्य जी, सम्मानीय गुरुजनों एवं मेरे साथियों, आज मैं आकांक्षु शर्मा कक्षा 12वीं की छात्रा शिक्षक दिवस के अवसर पर एक छोटी सी कविता लेकर प्रस्तुत हुई हूँ, जो कुछ इस प्रकार है। हर प्रकार से नादान थे तुम, हर प्रकार से नादान थे तुम, गीली मिट्टी के समान थे तुम। आकार देकर तुम्हें कड़ा बना दिया, आकार देकर तुम्हें कड़ा बना दिया, आज अपने ही पैरों पर तुम्हें खड़ा बना दिया। आज अपने ही पैरों पर तुम्हें खड़ा बना दिया। हारे हुए इंसान के भीतर न टूटने वाली उम्मीद को जगा दिया। हारे हुए इंसान के भीतर न टूटने वाली उम्मीद को जगा दिया। कर्म मेरे अच्छे कि भगवान ने ऐसे शख्स को मेरा गुरु बना दिया, कि भगवान ने ऐसे शख्स को मेरा गुरु बना दिया। नहीं है कोई शब्द कैसे करूं धन्यवाद, बस चाहती हूँ हर पल आप सबका आशीर्वाद, बस चाहती हूँ हर पल आप सबका आशीर्वाद। हूँ जहाँ आज मैं उसी में बड़ा योगदान, हूँ जहाँ आज मैं उसी में बड़ा योगदान आप सबका, जिन्होंने दिया मुझे इतना ज्ञान। आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी माँ आत्माओं का सत्कार करें। आओ मिलकर इस शिक्षक दिवस पर सभी माँ आत्माओं का सत्कार करें। शत आयु यह ज्ञान के सागर, सारे ऐसे गुरुओं को हम प्रणाम करें, धन्यवाद।
I want to dedicate this song to you because you care for me. With you I feel safe and secure, you really care for me. If something happens in the class that brings me down and makes me sad, you're there for me. And when I'm stuck and don't know what to do, you're there to guide me. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. La 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 la, la 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 la, I love my teacher. I wake up in the morning and I know it's gonna be another fun day. There's not a day that passes by when you don't throw me a smile. I like the way you get so excited about the things you're gonna teach us.